Hello guys, and now we're at our third example, and because we're at our third example, I'm going to just speed it up a bit. Now I have three fractions and I want to order them from the greatest to the smallest. I put G and S just so I can remember. Yes, and I'm going to look at our list again. But this time, because I want to speed it up, yes, I'm going to go straight to compare to half. Okay, so let's try that. If I have 3/10, half would be 5/10. So half would be equivalent to 5/10. Yep. So 3/10 is less than 5/10. Therefore 3/10 is less than half. I'm going to put an L. Okay. Next one. If I have 4/5, 5 pieces, and I ate 4, I definitely ate more than half. So that is more than half. I'm going to put an M. Now 3/4. If I have 4 pieces, half would be 2/4. But now this fraction is 3/4, so 3/4 is bigger than 2/4. This is a M. Now this is good because I have more than half, less than half. So guess which one is the smallest? It would be this one. I'm going to put that into the smallest, 3/10. And now that I have been able to put it down, I can essentially eliminate that. Now what I have to do next is to just figure out which of these is bigger, and that would go into my greatest section. Yep. So let me clear my board. Now I already have eliminated 3/10. Yeah, I know that is the smallest. Now let's look at these. Do they have the same numerator? Nope. Same denominator? Nope. I've already done comparing with half, and so I'm going to go on to equivalent fractions. Now let's start with 4/5. Okay, and 3/4. Okay, I have 4/5 and 3/4. Now, some of you can immediately see a denominator of 5 and denominator of 4, and you know what denominator we need to go to make it the same. But if you do not know, it's fine. We can just list down all the equivalent fractions until we reach one where their denominators are the same. So let's try the first equivalent fractions times 2, times 2, okay, times 3, 4 times 3, 5 times 3, next equivalent times 4, 20. I'm going to stop there. I'm leaving space just in case I need to find more later. Now 3/4, let's find the first equivalent, times 2, times 2. Next equivalent, times 3 numerator, and times 3 denominator. Next equivalent, times 4, and times 4. Okay, let's take a look. Do we have any denominators that are the same as 4/5? Nope. So next equivalent times 5, and you would see that, oh, we have a denominator of 20 here and a denominator of 20 there. So these are the two that we are going to compare, 6/20 and 15/20. Yep. Please note that 16/20 is the same as 4/5. That's why they are called equivalent. Yeah. And 15/20 is the same as 3/4. But let's just compare these two because they have the same denominator. Now, which is bigger, 16 pieces of 20th or 15 pieces of 20th? Obviously 16. Now I'm not going to write 16/20 here in my answer because that is not what the question was asking for. 16/20 is the same as 4/5. 4/5 is the question, so I'm going to write 4/5 here. And if 4/5 is the greatest, so 3/4 is in the middle. Yep, so that's how I order fractions. I did it a quick way. I started with comparing with half, and I realized that that was the smallest. I took it out, and then I compared these two by using equivalent fractions. So here you go.